What's the best way for you to improve your English?
Right now, I feel talking to you will help me improve my English. I'm so excited to explore more. Yes, and if you start using this, I can guarantee that you will also be glued to this and you'll start, doing this every single day. Well, I'm very excited today. And you know why? Any guesses? Well, maybe. Okay. No, you guessed it wrong. Well, today I'm going to talk to a robot. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to talk to an AI tool, which is a robot, which is going to help me to improve my speaking skills in English. Sounds interesting? Well, guys, before coming to the demo, I'm going to talk to you about what AI is. So basically, if you have followed the tech news, AI is something which is changing the world. It is changing everything. आप पढ़ाई कैसे करते हो, आपको क्या सीखना है, कैसे सीखना है, काम कैसे करना है, ऑफिसेज में AI is replacing people and lots more to it. तो अब AI ने इतना सब कुछ कर दिया है तो हमें भी तो कुछ उससे फ़ायदा उठाना है, राइट? वी शुड लर्न समथिंग न्यू फ्रॉम दैट, एंड दिस tool will help us to improve our English speaking skills. So why don't we come and see that how it helps us to improve our English and how it will help us to improve ourselves, right? तो नए ज़माने में नई चीज़ें आ रही हैं तो हम क्यों पीछे रहें? We should also take a step ahead and see कि चलो let's see इससे हमें क्या फ़ायदा होता है या हम कैसे इससे फ़ायदा उठा सकते हैं, राइट? दिस हैज़ टू बी आवर इंटेंशन. और हमें इसलिए बहुत ओपन होना चाहिए और बहुत जागरूक होना चाहिए दैट व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग इन द वर्ल्ड, राइट? यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड अबाउट ChatGPT. Sam Altman is in news, guys. So if you have not followed those news, please go and check. Start following the news. You will get to know what this generative AI is all about. It is changing the world, guys. Yes. So it's time for us also to step up and take advantage of this tool to help us and improve our speaking skills. Okay, let's get started. Now before that, hey there, I'm your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession. I am here to help you out with all your communications problem, and I have started to help you out with your English and how to speak your English fluently and confidently. And this session is all about improving your English and making it better and better faster. Yes. So guys, today I'm going to talk to you about this website which is called Speak and Improve. You can go to a browser and you can write Speak and Improve and you'll get this website which you can see in the on my screen as well. This is a project, basically is a research project from the University of Cambridge, and by using it you are helping us improve technology that will help English learners around the world. So this is what this website says. So this is from Cambridge University, and they have come up with this technology which will help English learners to improve their speaking skills. So what it does is talk to a speech robot, Sandy. So Sandy is the name of the robot, which is an AI robot who will ask you some questions, and afterwards Sandy will give you a grade for your speaking. So you will get a grade also for your speaking, and if you feel that some questions are difficult, then you can try it again to improve your score. Okay, and it's very interesting, guys. I am very excited to start talking to Sandy, and I'll give you a demo so that you also can go to this website and you can start your speaking to this robot. And it's very exciting and it's very interesting. Let's get started. Part 1. You will hear 8 questions. Listen to each question, then answer. First questions 1 to 4, you have 10 seconds to answer. For questions 5 to 8, you have 20 seconds to answer. Let's see what these questions are.
What's your name?
My okay. My name is Twinkle. Listen to your answer.
My name is Twinkle.
Next.
How do you spell your family name?
Okay. It's Kiran. Let's listen in.
It's Kiran.
Next.
Where are you from?
I am from Pune.
I am from Pune.
Next.
Are you working or studying at the moment?
I am working.
I am working.
How interested are you in learning about other countries?
I am pretty much excited to learn about other countries, their culture, their language, the way they, communicate, the way they express happiness, sadness, every expressions and everything else.
I am pretty much excited to learn about other countries, their culture, their language, the way they, communicate, the way they express happiness, sadness, every expressions and everything else.
How do you enjoy spending your free time?
I like reading books and I also enjoy going out with my friends and family. Let's listen in.
I like reading books and I also enjoy going out with my friends and family.
What's the best way for you to improve your English?
Right now, I feel talking to you will help me improve my English. Let's listen in.
Right now, I feel talking to you will help me improve my English.
Next.
If you could learn a new skill, what would it be?
I would love to learn a new language. Well, it can be French, Chinese, or Spanish. Let's listen in.
I would love to learn a new language. Well, it can be French, Chinese, or Spanish.
Okay, so guys, my 8 questions are over. Let's answer a few more questions. You will see 8 sentences. You have 10 seconds to read and record each sentence. Let's see. Over. Okay, so I have to repeat this. Start speaking. Over 400 people visited our library last month. Next question. Staff at the sports center are not available between 3 and 4 p.m. Next. Candidates should select one question only from each topic area. Next. All new students have to be registered with Mrs. Clark by the end of Friday. Stop. Next. Provided that all equipment has been collected and stored, students may leave the classroom. Stop. Next. Start speaking. What types of company do the majority of IT students work in after finishing their degree? Next. Despite some initial misgivings, the new laboratory has proved itself to be an excellent facility. Stop. Environmentalists agree that the continued use of private vehicles will result in worsening air pollution. Stop. So at any point of time, guys, you feel that you have not said it correctly, you can always try again and you can repeat your sentences and then you can go ahead. Answer more questions. Let's see what's next. So first was the robot. Sandy asked me a lot of 8 questions and I have to answer them, right? The second was it was a reading practice. So I have to read. Let's see what's the third one. You have 1 minute to talk about a topic. Oh, this is a speaking practice, guys. Okay. First, read the task and prepare your answer, then speak for 1 minute. Okay, that's great. Let's see. I'm pretty excited. All university students should do part-time jobs while they are studying. What are the advantages? What are the disadvantages? What is your own opinion? Okay, I have to speak on this topic for 1 minute. Okay, let's see how it goes. All university students should do part-time jobs while they're studying. I think the advantage of this will be they will be quite independent and they'll know how to earn money or how difficult it is to survive, and they will respect that. The only disadvantage which I feel is that university students are studying. Probably if the job is little difficult or it takes a lot of energy or time, then probably they'll not be able to focus on their studies, which also depends on the individual and the circumstances. My opinion is yes, we should do part-time jobs because it has helped us to understand how to survive in this world and how easy or difficult it is to earn a living. Stop. Let's see how anytime you can listen to your answer. Okay, I am so excited to explore more. Yes, and if you start using this, I can guarantee that you will also be glued to this and you'll start doing this every single day. And it's a very good session. It is a practice session basically, right? So you can read, you have to answer, you have to think and speak on a topic. Lots of activities are there in this thing. Answer more questions. Let's see what's next. Oh, you have 1 minute to talk about some visual information. First, look at the information and prepare your answer. Then speak for 1 minute. You'll continue to see the visual information. So you have 1 minute to, speak. Okay, and you can take, whatever time you want to, and then you can start, answering your questions. So that's okay. So let's see next, what is the visual image? Okay, you have been asked to give a presentation about acid rain. This diagram shows the formation and effects of acid rain. Look at the diagram and then give your presentation explaining how population causes acid rain. Okay. Okay, let's start speaking. Well, pollution is caused by factories and vehicles. The smoke which comes out of it causes pollution, and what happens is the acid particles are there in the smoke. Okay, and what it does is the acid particles are carried away by wind. The wind blows. Okay, so the acid particles is carried away by the wind, and some of them falls as dust. Okay, and other mix with cloud water. So when it rains, the rain comes in the form of acid as well. The acid particles are in the rain or snow, and it comes to the earth, which, damages the environment, the plantation, the landscapes, the animals, the human beings, water, everything, which damages the environment ultimately. I've stopped. You can again listen to your answer, and if you have not said it right, you can again try. You can try 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, n number of times you can try. It's all in your hands. Answer more questions. Let's see what's next. You will hear 5 questions about a topic. First, read the task, listen to each question, then give your answer. You could speak for 20 seconds. Let's see. A reporter from a magazine is writing an article about how to have a healthy lifestyle. He wants to find out your opinion about healthy living. He will ask you questions about eating habits, drinking water, doing exercise, sleeping, technology. Let's see. Next.
What advice can you give people who want to develop good eating habits?
Develop eating habits. I would suggest people to eat small meals at regular intervals.
How important is it to drink lots of water?
We should drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day because it helps in absorption. Next.
In your opinion, is it essential to do some exercise every day?
Yes, of course. I think 20 to 30 minutes of walking is the best exercise.
People say everyone needs at least 8 hours sleep every night. What do you think?
Absolutely. I agree with it. 8 hours sleep is important.
Do you think technology has generally had a positive or negative effect on people's health?
I think using the technology the right way is positive, and if you use it, it doesn't use it in the right way, then it will affect you. Feedback. So guys, I think this was the end. This was free. Okay, try the test again. You can try the test again, or you can sign in to do more tests. So there are more of the tests once you sign in. This was pretty interesting, and it has a lot of variation, right? So you saw that you have to answer simple questions first, then there was a reading exercise, then there was a 1 minute speaking exercise, and then there was the visual was given and you have to speak for 1 minute. So those things were written and you can just make a story out of it. So guys, these things really help. Okay, when we say that reading, writing, speaking, listening is important, it is all there in one place, and you can start practicing, developing confidence, developing fluency, and there are lots of things where you can improve. You can always start speaking again, you can listen to your voice, you can again try the test, and then you can go back and start practicing again. Okay, and I think this is a brilliant app. This is not an app. This is a brilliant website which helps you to improve your communication skills. Try doing this. You will be excited and you will, want to do more of such things. So guys, this is a wrap, and it was a very exciting and interactive session for me with Sandy and of course you guys. So I'll recommend that, you just go to Speak and Improve and start taking your test and score and see how it improves your communication. Do write in my comment box if you have enjoyed this episode. Bye bye.